Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new, I'm Kristen, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys some $1 farmhouse DIYs. Everything was from Dollar Tree or Dollar General, so let's jump into the video. First, a DIY, I will be using one of these long Christmas signs from Dollar Tree, and then one of these over-the-door hooks. This is also from Dollar Tree, and then I'll be using these to decorate with. These cute little cutting boards were from Dollar General, and they were $3 a piece. So the first thing I did was just take my Waverly chalk paint and ink and just paint the entire backside of the sign. Once the sign was dry, I just took my over-the-door hook, and it fits really nice onto these signs. You just need some needle nose pliers to kind of pull this back just a little bit. I didn't want the hook on the bottom. I just wanted them to lay really flat so I could lay this against a wall, since I'm not going to be putting this on the back of a door like they're supposed to. And then once that was done, it just fit really nicely over the top. I didn't secure this. I didn't really need to, because once it goes along a wall, it doesn't move. It's actually really, really perfect. And just to add a little bit of something to this, I did just add some twine to each side of the sign, and then I just tied it, wrapped it around the sign a couple times, and then you see on the back side I did add some twine, and that is how I'm going to hang it. I just hot glue some twine and then add some popsicle sticks to secure everything nicely. Yes, there is still a elf on the back side. If that bothers you, you could definitely just paint the back side as well. But like I said, since this is going along a wall, I didn't really need to. And then I just wanted to decorate it with a few items I already had. This little tin came from Dollar General. It was only $1, and I'll be using another one. And then I just used some nautical rope to make a little handle on this. And that is from Dollar Tree. And then I added some boxwood. That is 97 cents, and that is from Walmart. And then I just really wanted to decorate this. This is actually in my kitchen, and I think this is just a really pretty decor piece. I always change out decor along this wall and nothing ever stays, but I like that this is more full and there's more decor on here, and I think it looks really, really good in the kitchen. A DIY, you'll need 2 of these signs from Dollar Tree, this Dollar Tree Shadow Box house, and then I found these really cute farmhouse animals from Dollar General. And all I'm doing is using my Waverly chalk paint and ink once again, and I'm just going to be painting the bottoms of these signs black, and then I did end up going around the edge of the house and painting that black as well, so they all matched. I just took some scrapbook paper from Hobby Lobby and I just traced around the sign because I thought this would look really good on the front. So I did take the sticker off the back side and I decided to put the scrapbook paper over the top of the colored area just so it was more finished. on the front and on the back side. And I just use a glue stick to secure this. You could use Mod Podge if you want. I don't really like Mod Podge. I don't like using it. Everything always bubbles up for me, and no matter what tip or trick that I do. Yeah, so in scrap paper and glue sticks just work perfectly fine for me. So do and use what works best for you. And I did tear apart the house, and I will be using the same scrapbook paper. Like I said, this is from Hobby Lobby. They're always 4 for $1 for scrapbook paper, but I have had this laying around for quite some time. I don't get to Hobby Lobby very often, so when I do, I pick up a lot of it. But I love this lighter, like, wood color shiplap. I think it is so pretty. And then I just took some hot glue and glued these farm animals right to the center of the signs and the house. This DIY, you're going to need 2 things. This sign is from Dollar General, and this windmill is from Hobby Lobby after Christmas. You could pick up the cute little windmills that they have at Dollar Tree, so I just did want to add that in here. This sign was $4, and I found it 50% off at Dollar General, so I paid $2 for this. And then the windmill was also $2, but like I said, you can pick one up at Dollar General, and it would only, or Dollar Tree, yes, Dollar Tree, and it would only be $1. So I just painted the inside of the sign with a Waverly chalk paint in white, and then I just took some hot glue to glue the windmill right to the center, and that is all I did. I just think this matches my home decor just a lot better than the love and home saying. For this DIY, you'll just need another sign from Dollar Tree, 3 of these cute little chalkboards from Dollar General, and then some of these rub-on transfers from Dollar Tree. I also did use one other item from Dollar Tree, and it was really last minute, so I am not going to show you until last, I suppose. This paint is called Tilled Soil. It is by Martha Stewart. I've been using this a lot. It has a really bad smell to it, but I just love the color. I think it's just really pretty, and I'm sure you could get some acrylic paint or something very similar to this by like Apple Barrel. I actually probably should go check out the different acrylic paints. I haven't bought acrylic paint in a long time, years, I want to say at least a good year or 2. So I definitely should be checking out the other colors, especially if we like to dry brush. I did not do any type of dry brushing in this video, although I do love it. I just wanted everything just pretty plain and simple. And I'm just laying this out to the way I want. You could probably do this sideways as well. I just decided to do it up and down. I think this looks pretty with the chalkboard tags. I never know what to do with chalkboards, but I just love the black and white color anyway, so I think that you could use these as chalkboards. You could add a decal onto these. Rub-on transfers go on super nice when you use chalkboards, so that is what I wanted to do. And that Fresh Eggs Daily, that little sign is from Dollar Tree, and that's what I didn't show you in the beginning because I was going to do 3 of these chalkboards instead, but I'm like, this just kind of looks not as nice as what I thought, so I wanted to go with that Dollar Tree sign right in the center, and I love the way this looks, only for a few dollars. But you guys, that's it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. These are super simple, super easy to make. And like I said, if you like this video, please make sure you give it a thumbs up. And if you are new to my channel, I would love if you consider sticking around and subscribing. That is it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.